Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. Today I have another hair tutorial for you guys, and today we are doing the mermaid braids. So far so good. I've been able to pre-part my hair and I'm really happy at how clean the parts look. So I'm ready to just get started. I decided to add a bit of color because I wanted to try something different. So we're doing black and sky blue. I'm just gonna pack my hair up and start making my hair. I personally like to start from behind, and what I wanted was for the blue color to be behind and then the black to be all over the place. Like I wanted the black to dominate. Now starting from behind, we're going to do knotless braids. So I started adding hair extension for the knotless braids, and for mermaid braids you are going to braid like halfway or where your hair stops, and then you're gonna make a knot and leave the rest of the extension for coiling purposes. If your hair is long, you might want to fold your hair into two so that you can be able to make the coils. So I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys watch this video on how I add my extension to get my knotless braids.
Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on and caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. From the summer haze, 'cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living.
So for the back, I did 3 rows with the sky blue extension, and then I went ahead to start with the black extension. Now the rest of the hair will have to be with the black extension.
For the hot life, the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, 'cause we got the sunshine on the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. The right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. 'Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are.
And now I was done with making the whole of the hair. Look at how clean the part looks. I mean, I really took my time pre-parting my hair because I wanted it to look very neat. Now that we're done braiding the hair, the next thing we're gonna do is to do the curls. So for the curls, I'm using the flexi rod to curl my hair, and I was taking the hair in little amounts because I wanted the curls to be perfect. I think this hairstyle is also called pick and drop, but yeah, pick and drop mermaid braids, I think they are similar. And so we'll just go ahead with wrapping the hair around the flexi rod. So I do bend the ends of the flexi rod just to secure the hair in place.
Such a fun time living for the high life. The right vibes and the take vibes. Keep a free mind.
So after I was done wrapping the hair around the flexi rod, it was time to dip in hot water. If you notice, this hair is like all over my face, so I had to get like a small container so I could dip it one after the other, and then I had to use my comb to like push it in because I wanted everything to be in the hot water. Now we're gonna leave it for like some seconds, or let's say a minute, just so the water has its effect on the coils. Now this is what we are gonna do one after the other till we finish dipping all of it in the water.
Days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze.
It was time to unravel and see how good our curls look. Definitely it looked really perfect. Like, I was so happy with the outcome. Yeah, so I was done taking off the flexi rod, and it was time to like get the pieces out. Yeah, I didn't want the curls being together, I wanted them all separate. And look at that. Tell me this isn't perfect. Like, I love this hair, and the compliment that I got for this hairstyle, you guys can't even imagine. I went ahead to use my John Frieda mousse product on the hair, and also don't forget to trim the ends of the hair because you wouldn't like some part looking longer than the other, so it's very important that you trim it. This is what the back looks like. The pattern is really giving me joy, and this was like the following morning. I just did a little bit of makeup, and the hair the hair is giving everything that it was meant to give. Like, I loved the color combination. I love that I tried it on mermaid braids. Now if you love this tutorial that I have just dropped, or if you found every other tutorial that I drop very useful, why don't you just subscribe to my channel for more, and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you get notified whenever I drop another tutorial here. Yeah, leave your comments if you have any question. If you have any hairstyle that you want me to try, you can drop in the comment section. See you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Shine, shine closer.